What's up YouTubes, JMilionair here with a video about these Brave Star Cone Mills denim jeans that I copped. I did a video on these summer selvage, I guess a 12.5 ounces review before, and I spoke about these other ones that I ordered already and they came in. I wore these about a couple times, and as you can see, there are some, I guess you can see knee stretches and some honeycombs, but the denim itself is a lot thinner, so it'll probably take longer to break in. On the other hand, this 13.5 ounce, so I guess traditional Cone Mills denim, wore this about 5 times, and you can see there's more stretching in the knees, more whiskering, and then on the back side, more honeycombs appearing. So I kind of gave up wearing these and just opted to wear these. Yeah, don't mind the mess. So anyways, another couple aspects I've seen about these compared to the summer selvage. As you can see, the selvage line is just like white. It's just white, simple. The actual material, if you look at it, it's kind of like a uniform lines in it, and it has like a darker look to it. Compared to the traditional Cone Mills with the red line selvage, has that red line there. The material on it, as you can see, is more like slubby and variants of the white coming through. Because the thicker denim, it's just kind of not uniform, it's random. As opposed to this one, you can actually step back and see lines in it. Opposed to this one, it's like checkered and just random, which is nicer. The color, you can see a comparison as well. This is more of a darker purpley indigo, I'm guessing. And this is more of a traditional with the dark blue indigo. And then of course those white little specks coming through. Which is just the back. And you can see the contrast is a lot more darker, thinner threads in this one where this the white's poking through. Everything else in the aspects of the stitching is the same. But I end up getting these, and I'm glad I got these. So when I first got these summer selvage, I tried them on, like I said. They were really nice. They fit well. Got some of the Cone Mills denim, and had some of the hints I showed you in the last video, which I'll link in the description. Of course, the Cone Mills made in USA, Brave Star, and that's pretty much it. I even said it's kind of it's basic. This, on the other hand, of course, with the other hints of the red line selvage on the pocket, the same things, Brave Star my size, Cone Mills, where is that? They don't have the Cone Mills in this one, but they do have the made in USA. And another little hint, which kind of signifies that it's made in Cone Mills, and I thought this is cool, because in the pocket, it literally says, this selvage denim was woven on American draper, time 3 looms, at Cone Mills White Oak Plant, North Carolina, USA. And it literally has a number 98 of 120, lot, what is that, 1007. So when I spoke about the other pair, I said these are limited because Cone Mills shut down. So they literally got this off a loom or a shuttle, not shuttle, but a roll of denim, selvage denim, and it is numbered. So these are actually sold out when I first looked at them because I wanted the thicker denim, but they just have these in stock. But my size popped back up, gave me an email, and literally as soon as I copped them, because I had to, they sold out. And they're pretty much sold out every size. I think they have one giant size there, but if that's your size, go check it out. Another little thing, of course, I wore these summer selvage, I think, like once or twice, and the patch kind of getting some blue on it, and it's looking a little worn, but comparison to these worn about 5 times, has more indigo transfer, and it's actually a lot darker. Let's see comparison. So the leather is actually starting to darken and patina, which is dope. So after a long, hardy wear, years and years, then get its own age on here and start turning brown and whatever color it turns, which uniqueness is, in my opinion. So other hints, of course, a star right there, and the same kind of, I guess, victory buttons or whatever they're called, champion buttons. It's the same. But in my opinion, the 13.5 ounce compared to the 12.5 ounces is better all around. But of course, when it gets really hot, I might end up wearing these, so we'll see. I'll keep you updated after I wear these a whole bunch and wash them for the first time, see what they actually look like when the indigo kind of wears off. But as of right now, this is what they look like. And that's it. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you check these out, because like I said, once they're gone, they're gone. And you should at least get a pair at under $100. Yeah, peace.